You pull out a camera the size of a candy bar and start filming. Smooth, cinematic, no shake, like a Hollywood setup in your pocket. That is what the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 promises. Let us see if it actually delivers. Best price link is in the description below. So what can this actually handle? For vlogging and content creation, it scored a 9.8. And honestly, that makes sense because this is literally built for creators. Travel filming gets a 9.6 because it is so small and easy to carry anywhere. But professional film work only gets a 5.5. This is not a cinema camera replacement. The sensor is just too small for serious commercial work. Daily performance now. Gimbal stabilization scored a 9.9. This is where the Pocket 3 absolutely destroys everything in its price range. Walk, run, even shake it on purpose, the footage stays buttery smooth. Video quality in 4K hits 9.5, genuinely impressive colors and sharpness. But battery life gets a 6.8. You're getting around 100 to 140 minutes, which sounds okay, but runs out fast when you're filming all day. Built-in audio is also a 6.5. It picks up wind and handling noise easily. You will want an external mic for serious recording. User experience. Portability scores a 9.7. It literally fits in a jeans pocket. That is the whole point. Ease of use is a 9.0 because the auto tracking and face detection just work right out of the box. Even beginners get great shots immediately. The DJI Mimo app gets a 7.2 though. It works fine, but is a bit clunky and the editing features feel limited. Who's this actually for? YouTube vloggers score a 9.9. This might genuinely be the best vlogging camera ever made at this size. Travel creators at 9.7. This is your perfect travel companion. Beginner filmmakers at 9.2. The learning curve is almost 0. But professional cinematographers only score a 4.5. If you shoot commercially, the sensor limitations will frustrate you quickly. Final verdict. Gimbal and stabilization are simply best in class at 9.9. Video quality is excellent at 9.5. The weak points are battery life and audio, both sitting around 6.5 to 6.8. Real limitations if you film for long sessions. Overall real use rating is 9.0 out of 10. If you create content and want smooth, beautiful footage without carrying a heavy camera, this is one of the smartest buys you can make right now. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.